Hello guys, I'm Great Achiever. I'm going to teach you how to start a YouTube channel with no experience. There are many steps for you to follow, and step 1 is you must have a Google account, because you will need the Google account to sign in on your YouTube channel. Yeah. So firstly, you create your Google account. After creating your Google account, you have to go to the next step. Step 2 is you must have a YouTube app on your phone. If not use a YouTube app, you go to your browser and use YouTube here. Yeah. When you go to your browser and open your YouTube app or inside your browser, you go to sign in. You have to sign in your Gmail first, which is your Google account. Sign in your Gmail first. After signing your Gmail, go to the next step. Step 3, create a channel. When you go to your top right on your YouTube channel, which is your profile, you go there and you create your account. Yes, you have to put your name. You can put your bio also and your channel identity. That is very important, and that is in step 3. Now I'll go to the next step. Step 4, customize your channel. Yes, very important, because some audience want to see your channel customized. Yes, like you must have a profile picture, must have a channel banner. Yes, and size on the screen here. Your channel banner size on the screen here in case you want to design it by yourself. Yeah, you must have a channel banner and you must have a channel description. Very important, a channel description. So you must have a channel description. Put to your mind, you must have a channel description. Now go to the next step. Step 5, verify your account. Yes, you can use your phone number to verify your account using your phone. You send your code. Yes, and the verification is very good because it enables you to use thumbnail. If for your full video like this, yes, as I'm doing video like this, you see thumbnail I used before. You have to verify first. Without verification, you will be able to use it. And the verification is used for, it cannot allow you verify. So you have to verify before you post longer video. Yes, you can post short, so you don't verify, but longer video you have to verify first. When you verify, YouTube will know that yes, this account is good. If not verify, YouTube will having doubts. So verify first, and without verification, you cannot live stream. Yes, and live stream is very important. So verify. That is step 5. Verify your accounts. Step 6, understand YouTube guidelines. Yes, read and understand YouTube guidelines. Very important. In case of copyright, YouTube policy, read everything. Read it. Go there. You're at the setting. Go down. You see it. Read it. And don't upload music or videos that doesn't have the right to use, because there's always copyright now in videos and in YouTube and music, everything. So always read YouTube policy or community guideline. Very important. That is step 6. Sorry, step 6. Going to the next step. Step 7, start uploading content. That is number 1 thing. Yes, it's very important. You have to upload content. Your content, you have to upload your content. Yes, your content. You are doing comedy, you are making movies. Upload your content, and your content must have title, description, tags, thumbnail, and playlist. You must have a playlist. Yes, where you can put your video together. You must have a playlist. Yes, and you want to upload the video, go to the plus icon. Yes, plus icon. Yes, down there. Go to the plus icon, click on it, you see video, short, live or post. Yes, go there, you can upload there. Very important, you must upload your content. If you don't upload your content, you will not get any visuality. Your audience no audience will reach you. Yes, as if putting place without food inside. It's empty. Empty, this thing doesn't have no meaningful at all. So always upload your content. Remember, going to the next step. Step 8, promote your channel. Yes, promote your channel. If you are on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, WhatsApp channel, everything, always share your video there, so you will be able to get more engagement and more audience can traffic down to your YouTube account. Remember, always post your account or share it to other apps, because you cannot just focus on YouTube and you expect to go viral or something like that. Post on TikTok, Instagram, pay, and always connect it too. Share your link of your profile to each of every social media account or social media platform. Always share it. Yeah, very important. Very important. And encourage your viewers to like, share or comment. Yes, to increase your watch hour. Always to view it, your video. Very important. Go to the next step. And the last step for today is enable monetization option. Very important. Enable monetization option. When you meet the requirements like 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 public watch view in the past 12 months, or 10 million short views in 90 days. Wow. It's not easy, but you have to do it to be able to collect money. Everything is money now, everything is money. So always enable your monetization option very well. It's optional, but always enable it. Very important. Like, I will create content, you're not collecting money from it. It's not fair. So always enable your monetization. Yeah, enable it very well. When you have limited requirements, you cannot collect your money, which is requirement is meet the requirement of 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 public hour view. Are you hearing me? 4 hour view in the past 12 months and 10 million view in 90 days. Wow. Go work on it. And this is our last video for today. Please like, share, comment or ask any question. I'll meet you in our next video. Please help me here. Help me view this video. Share it to your friends and loved ones. Thank you.